everyone, I am back at it again with another review. But this is not only a review, this is an unboxing of my new YOYOFACTORY signature yo-yo, the YOYOFACTORY WHiP. Now some of you may know that a couple years ago I had my own edition of the YOYOFACTORY WHiP. I had two colors, pink and blue marble. It was unresponsive. And we brought it back, but this one is a little bit different because it is a responsive WHiP. Now the color is about the same. It's a pink marble with my signature in the middle and some little cute heart details in it as well. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day. Was this video on purpose? No. But yeah, my pink yo-yo on Valentine's Day. Now, like I've mentioned, this is a responsive yo-yo. It has a slim bearing inside, so it will come back to you. You don't need to use a bind to get this yo-yo back up, which means this is the perfect starter yo-yo to begin on if you haven't already. If you're watching my channel and you don't yo-yo already, what are you doing? You need this in your life. So I will unbox this for you because one of the best things about this yo-yo is actually the packaging. As you can see, it says it's beginner friendly, meaning that straight out of the packaging, you can play with this yo-yo automatically. Now, I've taught many people throughout my yo-yoing career, probably thousands of people, and I found that one of the most challenging parts of starting yo-yoing is actually to start. And by that I mean knowing how to put it correctly on your finger, knowing how to wind it up correctly, knowing that you need a specific string length, you don't want a really long string because that's not going to work out for you, and knowing how to throw correctly, and all of these different factors. Beginning is the hardest part, but once you get past that, it opens up so many doors for you to learn so many other tricks. Now this is a great yo-yo to begin on because it eliminates that first step for you. So as you can see right here, it has a ready-to-use loop. It means that the loop is already made into a slip knot. I will pick up another yo-yo. I literally leave them everywhere. These don't have string on them, so I can't use those. So I have my other yo-yo with me, the YOYOFACTORY Checkpoint Pivot. This is my own edition as well. So you see you have like a little loop at the end, and there's confusion that you actually don't put this directly onto your finger just yet. The reason being because, as you can see, it's not really fully tightly wrapped around my fingers, so when I throw it, it'll easily just slip off. So what you need to know how to do is make a slip knot where you take the loop, you put it on top of the string, you pull that middle string out, and there you have this slip knot where you can make it as big as you want, and you just put it around your finger tightly and it won't come off. Theoretically, it shouldn't. And even though with many yo-yos it comes with the instruction booklet inside, many people usually just throw that away, not realizing the content in there. So without knowing how to do this slip knot, they're not gonna know how to put it properly on their finger. So that loop is actually right there, already made to use for you, and you can open the packaging and take it right out and play with it and put it on your finger. And then the second aspect of this is that the string is already pre-shortened. When you're starting out, typically I suggest to cut the string or have the string length to your belly button. And then of course, once they gradually progress with their yo-yoing, they might want to have longer string because you can do more tricks with it. I like having longer string. I know players who have even longer string than I do. But when you're beginning, and especially if you're younger, you definitely don't want a long string because then your hand is all the way up here when you're throwing because you don't want the yo-yo to hit the ground. The string is too long. So the string already on here is pre-shortened and it's already wound up for you and ready to go. So let's just open this up and see how this works inside. I've never done an unboxing. Is this exciting? As it is for you, as it is for me. So you open it up like this. Ooh. And then at the bottom here is the little trick booklet. Actually, let's see. Oh, trick manual. Now don't throw this away, okay? It's in different languages, so I'm on the wrong side. Even though this is already looped for you, it's pre-shortened, it further tells you it in here on how to do it. So I don't really need this right now, so let's open it up, and there we go. And then it pops right out. And there is my YOYOFACTORY WHiP responsive version. All right, so now there's a loop already made. I put it right on my finger, and now let's just get to throwing right now. I probably can't see very well. Whoa. Okay. Hey. Yeah, this is responsive. Now, previously with the other whips, these were unresponsive, but now we made this responsive, so this would be geared towards more of starters and beginners. I love the whip when it came out, and I love that they made a responsive version of this. Obviously, I play unresponsive, yet every now and then it's fun to play with the responsive yo-yo. It's the classic, I guess, style of yo-yoing that I started out with. Plays pretty much exactly like just the normal whip, except it is responsive. Exactly the same. This is my unresponsive whip that's actually signed by Tony Hawk. This has a slim bearing in it, which makes it responsive. Silicone pads, and I love the color to it. To me, this is my bubblegum pink color. It retails for $5.99 US. Oh my god. The most affordable yo-yo that I have had a signature with. I mean, seriously, you cannot beat that price. And I know that most of you are probably way more intermediate than having a beginner responsive whip yo-yo. And what you can do is actually switch out the slim bearing for a larger bearing, and you can make it unresponsive. The diameter is 54.19 millimeters, width 40.97 millimeters, and the weight is 56.2 grams, which means this yo-yo is light AF. I mean, of course, it's plastic, it's gonna be lighter. It has that nice butterfly shape, and it fits really comfortably in my hands, even though it is considered a beginner starter yo-yo. So you're still able to do a lot of string tricks with it, but overall it still feels quite balanced, even for feeling very light. Yeah, so I am so stoked about this yo-yo. I love that they came back with it in a responsive form, because I loved when this color came out, and now you can get it back again. $5.99. Did you know that? It's $5.99. Yeah, but this is just fun to have in your pocket or anything, and it is pink, and today's Valentine's Day. Yeah, that's about it. Quick video, quick unboxing. Wasn't much going on, but hope that was entertaining enough for you guys. And yeah, I'll have another video out soon. So that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you like this. If you're gonna get this yo-yo, let me know, please. And buy my merch. I don't have any merch. I've always wanted to say that, but yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye.